Magandang araw po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible Knowledge of the Day. Ngayon pong July 9, ang Webes na po. Ang sabi ng Bible sa Proverbs 23 verse 1 and 2, the Bible says, "When thou sittest to eat with a ruler, consider diligently what is before thee." And verse number 2, "And put a knife to thy throat, if thou be a man given to appetite." So again, yun po ang ating pamagat, yung sabi ng Bible, consider diligently. Alright, so yung ruler po dito ay masyal sa Hebrew word, have power. Mayroong kapangyarihan, governor, ibig sabihin may katungkulan sa pamahalaan. Okay? And the Bible says, kapag nakiupo ka sa kanila para kumain, i-consider mo na may katsagaan. Yung diligently, be prudent, baga careful ka, kung ang ibig sabihin ng prudence yan, self-control, at meron kang, kumbaga, be careful, and then have understanding, dapat naunawaan mo na nasa palasyo ka or sa governor's office, or sa kanilang, kumbaga, opisina, deal wisely, din po ang ibig sabihin. What is before thee, okay? So, put a knife to thy throat, figurative po yan, of course, hindi tinuturo ng Bible na saktan mo ang sarili mo, kundi it is a figurative language na ibig sabihin, huwag kang padalos-dalos. Put a knife to thy throat, if thou be a man given to appetite, mga kapatid. So, control your appetites, number 1. Whether food, wealth, pleasure, or recognition, don't let desires rule you. Alright? So number 2, don't be easily impressed by luxury. Focus on character rather than materialism, mga kapatid. So kasi baka naman nandun ka, hindi ka magbe-behave, kasama mo ang ruler na yan, governor na yan. Tapos may kain ka ng napakarami, mag-desire ka, baka pwedeng bigyan nyo ka ng ganito, kung ano-ano nang hinihingi mo sa ruler, governor. Or you are seeking after recognition. So, hindi dapat yan, mga kapatid. Kundi, meron dapat tayong tinatawag na self-control, prudency, dealing with people. Because, tandaan natin bilang Kristyano, we are focusing on becoming Jesus Christ, our character to be like Christ, rather than materialism. Diba? So, be a good testimony, be a good witness, be kumbaga, show a good example to your boss, ruler. Pwede yung boss mo, pwede yung mga opisyal mo, di ba? So, focus on your character. Create a good testimony, behaving as a child of God, and not materialism. Okay? But showing your good testimony when you are sitting with a ruler, mga kapatid. Okay? Sa ating pong principle of the day, ay be diligent to practice discipline. Anak tayo ng Diyos, dapat nakikitaan po tayo, hindi po tayo nakikuupo sa kanila to compromise or baka pag pinainom ka, iinom ka na rin ng alak. Baka pagka hindi ka magsimba ng linggo, hindi ka na rin magsisimba talaga. Or pag niyayaya ka nila kung saan, sa club, bar. So kumbaga, be diligent to practice discipline bilang anak ng Diyos. Okay, God bless you po. Consider diligently. Yan po ang ating Bible knowledge of the day.